Okay students, now we'll go for some more problems in today class. In the last class we are discussing finding the points, the slope is given. So in this class we are discussing finding the equation of a lines having the slope minus 1 that are the tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 by x minus 1. You want to find the equation of a lines, you want to find the equation of all lines having the slope minus 1 that are tangent to a curve. To find the equation of a line when the tangent is given, so we know that so in the beginning of the class only I already told ಏನಂತ to find the equation of a line we have a formula y minus y naught is equal to dy by dx is equal to x dy by dx into x minus x naught. So this is the equation of a line, we know that. Is it clear? So here the curve is given, here the slope is minus 1. The slope is minus 1 means the dy by dx is equal to minus 1. Means what we need here? We need point. If you find the point from this equation, so we can easily find the equation of a line. Okay na? Is it clear? Now last class alli curve ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಕರ್ವ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನಾವು ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕರ್ವ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್. ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕರ್ವ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಟುಡೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. From this point we are finding the equation of a line. Is it clear? The slope and curve is given, we are finding the point. From the point and slope we are finding the equation of a line. So this is a procedure. Okay na? Is it clear? So ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? y ಮೈನಸ್ y ನಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು dy ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್. ನಮಗೆ dy ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ? y ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1. ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್. Differentiate with respect to x. So here dy by dx is equal to, what is the differentiation of 1 by x minus 1 is minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. What is the dy by dx is minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. Minus minus cancel, x minus 1 whole square cross multiply ಮಾಡು. x minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. Means x minus 1 is equal to root 1. So here x minus 1 is equal to 1. So x is equal to minus 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ 2. Is it clear? Is it okay? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೋಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಫೈನಲ್. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವೈ. ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವೈ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್. Substitute x in star. So ಈ ಥರ substitute x in star. So here substitute x in star means, so ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? y is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1. What is 2 minus 1 is 1. ಅಂದರೆ y is equal to 1. The point is 2 comma 1. The point is 2 comma 1. Now substitute the point 2 comma 1 here. So here the point x naught y naught is 2 comma 1 and dy by dx is minus 1. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into x minus x naught ಅಂತಂದರೆ 2. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 2. ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ x plus y minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. Means x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0 is the equation of a line. Is it clear? Is it okay? Is it clear? So once again I am repeating, to find the equation of all lines having a slope minus 1 that are tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 by x minus 1. So now in the last class we are finding the point by using the slope and the curve. Here the slope and given slope and curve is given, we are finding the point. Now to find the equation of a line, so we need slope and point. So slope and point find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ equation of a line ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is a formula for the equation of a line. So let me find the point first. ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರು. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by x minus 1 is minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. The dy by dx is minus 1, minus minus cancel. X minus 1 whole square is equal to 1, x minus 1 is root 1, root 1 is 1. Now x is 2, minus 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ 2, ಓಕೆನಾ. Substitute the x in star. So substitute x in star ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ y is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. The point is 2, 1. The point is 2, 1. Substitute the point and the slope. So y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by x minus 2. Here minus cross multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus x plus 2. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಲಿ, x plus y minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Is it clear? Is it okay? So take a screenshot of this problem and copy to your notes. Students, now we will go for the next problem. The next problem is find the equation of all lines having the slope 2 which are tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 by x minus 3. So this is a given problem. Find the equation of all lines having slope 2 which are tangent to the curve. The slope on the curve is given, we are finding the point, afterwards we are finding the equation of a line. Now let me consider y is equal to 1 by x minus 3. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Here dy by dx is equal to, the differentiation of 1 by x minus 3 is minus 1 by x minus 3 whole square. Again differentiation of x minus 3 is 1. So we know that slope is 2. The slope is 2 means here dy by dx is equal to 2. Here dy by dx is 200. 2 is equal to minus 1 by x minus 3 whole square. Now cross multiply this one. 2 into x minus 3 whole square is equal to minus 1. So 2 into x minus 3 whole square is x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to minus 1. 2 cross multiply ಮಾಡು. 2x square minus 12x plus 18 minus 18 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ 2x square minus 12x plus 19 is equal to 0. Is it okay? Now what are the factors for this? What are the factors for this? The factors is 2x square okay. So now, so we can't factorize this one. So here 19 to the 38. So there is no factors for this term. So if you are not getting the factors, you are not getting the x here. You are not getting the x. If you are not getting the x means we can't find the point. So we can't find the point means, so tangent is doesn't exist. Tangent is doesn't exist at slope 2. Okay na? Is it clear? Tangent doesn't exist at slope 2. Okay na? Once again I am repeating, just listen here. So what we done in the last problem, the same we are doing here. So in the last problem, find the equation of all lines having the slope 2 which are tangent to the curve. So now here the slope and curve is given, we are finding the point here. So to find the point, first what you want to do, differentiate the equation, we are substituted the slope and we are simplified. After the simplification we get the equation like this. So if you factorize this one, we can't factorize the equation. So if you go with the formula method, you will get, so imaginary numbers. Sorry na, we are not solving the complex number problems here, we are solving the real line problems. So for this equation we can't find the equation of a tangent at slope 2. Is it clear? So in the last problem also, so I forgot to tell, so find the equation of all lines. So we'll go for the last problem first. So here they clearly mentioned that find the equation of all lines. So I forgot to tell this point. Find the equation of all lines means, So here what is the root 1 is you want to take both plus 1 and minus 1. Root 1 means plus 1 and minus 1 means x minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 ikkada hodre x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. So if x is equal to 0, substitute x is equal to 0 here. Substitute x is equal to 0 in star. So what is the star? That one, y is equal to 1 by 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 means y minus 1. What is the point is? The point is 0 comma minus 1. So find the equation of a tangent at 0 comma minus 1 also. So continue this problem. So you want to find the equation of a tangent at 0 comma minus 1. So the point is 0 comma minus 1. The slope is same minus 1, and substitute in this and you get the equation of a line. Is it clear? So I forgot to tell this point. Find the equation of all lines, and then you want to take all the points. Is it clear? Is it okay? Is it clear? Next. Okay students, now we will go for the next problem. Find the equation of all lines having the slope 0 which are tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3. So this is a given question that we consider. So y is equal to 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3. So they clearly mentioned that dy by dx is equal to 0. Now let me differentiate this one. Differentiate with respect to x. Here dy by dx is equal to, the differentiation of 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3 is minus 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3 whole square. So we know the differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. The differentiation of 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3 is minus 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3 whole square. Again differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of minus 2x is minus 2. The difference constant is 0. Now the dy by dx is 0. So 0 is equal to minus 2x minus 2 by x square minus 2x plus 3 whole square. So the denominator into 0 is 0. So let me multiply this minus inside the bracket. Minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Is it clear? 2 ikkada bandre minus 2x is equal to minus 2. 2 cancel. X is equal to what? 1. Here x is equal to 1 means substitute x is equal to 1 here. Substitute x in star. So now y is equal to 1 by 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 3. So here y is equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 plus 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So y is equal to 1 by 2. Is it clear? So we know that equation of a tangent. What is the equation of a tangent? Is y minus y naught is equal to dy by dx into x minus x naught. So here we know that the point is 1 comma 1 by 2. 1 comma 1 by 2 means y minus 1 by 2. The dy by dx, what is the dy by dx is 0. X minus x naught is 1. 0 and anything is 0. So y minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Minus 1 by 2 ikkada bandre y is equal to 1 by 2. So this is y is equal to 1 by 2. Is it clear? Is it okay? So very simple problem. So in the last problem what they given, the same thing here given here. Find the equation of all lines having the slope 0 which are tangent to the curve. So this is the slope is 0. This is a curve given. Differentiate with respect to x. The dy by dx is equal to, the differentiation of 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3 is minus 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3 whole square. Again differentiation of this one is 2x minus 2. Now here dy by dx is 0. Denominator into 0 is 0. Here minus oda multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 2 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ minus 2, minus minus cancel, x is equal to 1. So we need to find y. Substitute the x in star. Y is equal to 1 by 1 square minus 2 into 1 into 3. 1 minus 2 plus 3 means 1 by 2. The point is 1 comma 1 by 2. So we know that the equation of a tangent is y minus y naught is equal to dy by dx into x minus x naught. Y minus 1 by 2 is equal to dy by dx is what? 0. 0 into x minus 1. 0 into anything is 0. Minus 1 by 2 ikkada bandre y is equal to 1 by 2. So y is equal to 1 by 2 is the equation of a line. So take a screenshot of this problem. So copy to your notes. We will go for the next problem. Okay students, now we will go for the next problem. So here find the equation of a tangent. Find the equation of a tangent of a line to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which are parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is a given problem. So here the curve is given and parallel line is given. Since that these two lines are parallel, if these two lines are parallel, the slope will become equal. Means y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7 and 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Here, since these two lines are parallel, the slopes are equal. Means the slope is given, the curve is given, you want to find the point here. So the slope, we get the point and we get the slope, then we can easily find the equation of a line. Is it clear? So now see here what we done in the last problem, the same we are doing here. The curve is given, the slope is given. The slope is given in the form of another condition. What is the condition is this curve is parallel to this. If these two curves are parallel, then the slopes are equal. Is it clear? So how to find the slope? Differentiate the both the equation, you get the slope. Is it clear? So differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to, what is the difference of x square is 2x, minus difference of 2x is minus 2, the difference constant is 0, the difference of 2x is 2, minus dy by dx, the difference constant is 0, this is equal to 0, means the dy by dx is equal to what? 2, the slope will become 2, the slope will become 2. Is it clear? Since these two lines are parallel, the slope will become equal now. Now substitute this dy by dx is equal to 2 here, you get the point 2 is equal to 2x minus 2. So minus 2 and plus 2, so 2x is equal to 4. Then what is the x is? X is 2. Is it clear? From this x you want to find the y. So to find the y, what you are doing? Substitute the x in this equation star. Substitute x in star. Substitute x in star. Then y is equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 7. So now y is equal to 2 square is 4 minus 4 plus 7. So y is equal to 7. The point is 2 comma 7. The point is 2 comma 7. So here the point is 2 comma 7. The slope is what? The slope is 2. So from this we are finding the equation of a line. What is the equation of a line is? So we know that y minus y naught is equal to dy by dx into x minus x naught. Here y minus y naught means what? 7 is equal to dy by dx is 2. X minus x naught is what? 2. So y minus 7 is equal to 2 now what multiply madre 2x minus 4. Now ಈ y ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ 2x minus y minus 4 minus 7 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ plus 7 is equal to 0. 7 minus 4, what is 7 minus 4 is 3. So 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 is the equation of a line. Is the equation of a line. Is it clear? So what is the new in this problem? The new is these two lines are parallel. The slope is given in the form of one condition. What is the condition? Since these two lines are parallel, the slope will become equal. So this is the point what you want to remember. Is it clear? Is it okay? So I hope you people are enjoying the problems. So in the very beginning of the class we discussed the curve is given, the point is given, we are finding the slope. In the next class we discussed the curve is given, the slope is given, we are finding the point. In today's class we are discussing the curve and the slope is given, we are finding the equation of a line by finding the point. Okay, na? We are finding the equation of a line when the curve and slope is given by finding the point. So idu procedure. Is it clear? Yes sir, ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡು. Find the equation of a tangent, the line of the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which are parallel to the line. This is a given condition. The curve is given. To find the equation of a line, what we need? The slope we need, point we need. So here what are the given conditions? Since these two lines are parallel, the slope will become equal. Now differentiate the equation, both the equation with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, the difference of x square is 2x minus 2. Here the differentiation of this equation will become, dy by dx will become 2. Substitute the 2 in this. Since these two are parallel, it is equal. Now what we get? We get x. So substitute the x in the equation, we get y. So the point is 2, 7. The slope is 2. So now to find the equation of a line, this is a formula. Y minus y naught is equal to dy by dx into x minus x naught. Substitute the point and the slope in this equation, you get the equation of a line. Is it clear? Is it okay? So take a screenshot of this problem, copy to your notes. In the next class also we are doing the same type of problem, finding the equation of a line in the different way. So we'll discuss in the next class. So until then, take care, goodbye.